Hey there, it's Asia Coleman, ARG founder, and today we're going to talk about how to find production listings on the SAG-AFTRA app. One of my favorite features of the new SAG-AFTRA app is the production listings. So if you're an actor and you're wondering what's going on, what's filming, what's happening, what's casting in my local area, if you're a SAG member, this is a great resource for you. And if you're not, I bet one of your friends who's a SAG-AFTRA member will let you do some research on their phone. So this is the SAG-AFTRA app, and it's super simple to use. You just log in, and one of the features on the home menu is production listings. So you click there, enter your local area, enter a date range, and just kind of scroll through to see what's up. That's a great starting place for your research so that you can find out who's casting the shows, what's going on, and find out the shows that are kind of right for the world that you tell stories in, and start to build relationships so that you can get some audition opportunities. So I hope that helps. Let me know in the comments what productions you're interested in your area, and I'll see you soon.